Hey Hub Heroes, this is Jorge Fuentes from the Sidekick Strategies team, and today we're going to take a look at how to rename default HubSpot objects with just a couple clicks. Check it out. So we're going to go into HubSpot and then we're going to go into our settings here in the gear icon. And then on the left hand side, we're going to scroll all the way down to the object library, and whichever object we want to rename, we're going to go, for example, in this case, the contact. I want to rename it. I'm going to click on details, and then instead of contact, I'm going to edit the object name and I'm going to call it, let's say humans in this case. And I'm just going to type it in as humans like that. And then the plural, well, actually in this case, human, because it has to be singular, and then the plural is going to be humans. And then that's it. Now I'm going to just save it. And that's all we need to do. And that's pretty much it. So now your contact section within HubSpot will be renamed to humans in this case. Remember that you can do this for any default HubSpot object, such as companies, deals, or tickets. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at. So go out there and be the hub hero that your organization needs today.